closer.
Oh yeah, you can't see nothing on this skyline just yet.
Just wait.
Check out this tiny little dual drive-through coffee shack. This is awesome. A real life O'Reilly's!
I don't know where we are.
We're in Pittsburgh, bitch! So every time you come to a new city, you want to compare it to other cities that you've been to before. And up until this point, it was, oh, it's like Philly. Oh, it's like Chicago. Oh, it's like New York. Well, this bridge reminds me of motherfucking London.
It's just
Let's
Pittsburgh.
go. That bridge reminds me of London also. Those hot girls over there remind me of British girls. Where the hell are we?
That we're in Pittsburgh.
They got a goddamn ferry.
If you park, we could get more.
It's paddling, dude. It's paddling. Aren't you texting me back?
Highway. That's where we were today.
I could care less about the city. This is what I want to look at.
Because you're a weirdo.
Mechanical autistic freak. Look, all the weeds going through the weeds like it's decrepit, but it's still working. Like, that's so cool to me. All these weird light bulbs that probably like don't work at nighttime.
The reality of living up here. Set end of our life. We don't want to do that part of
Is there another one of these inclines?
Yeah, just down the way there.
And is it any different than this?
This one's more historic. The other
Okay.
one's still used much more similar age, but just a little bigger.
Yeah.
Used more kind of day-to-day transportation.
I've always felt like it's fun to ride, but there's really nothing up here to see.
No, there isn't. I don't know if the state pass is open at all. There's always a place to get a beer.
Is that the one with the ledge?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what about the other one? Is there anything neat to see at the top?
It's kind of closer to the business district, but there's, I think the overlooks may actually be under construction right now.
The Overlook Center. Okay.
Okay, right out behind you, you kind of see it, that's the sewer treatment plant. Right by the blue.
It's a cool city.
Yeah. I've never been on an overlook that looks quite
the
like
whole city.
that looks quite like this. Earlier at Yellow Creek, I counted 17 fishing boats. I think I just counted 17 bridges here.
There.
Absolutely. Like, so weird and cool. 100 years. This is so wild. Like that, like anti-safety style ledge right there. I'm just such a fan of how fucking crazy this is, man. Oh my god. And like we're in like, did it say when they made this? This is like a 1927 style shack. Let me see if I can find the date.